Hello students, let's discuss the question. In this question we have to find the perimeter of a rectangle whose length is 40 centimeter and the diagonal is 41 centimeter. So basically this is given to us. Let's say this is our rectangle. In this rectangle we can name this as A, B, C and D. We are given the length of this rectangle which is 40 centimeter. As the opposite sides are equal, so both the lengths are 40 centimeter. We are not given about the breadth, but we are also given the diagonal which is equals to 41 centimeter. So diagonal is given to us, and we have to find out the perimeter of the rectangle. So if we get to know the breadth of the rectangle, so we can easily find out the perimeter. If we can see that here ABD is a triangle, so in triangle ABD, angle A is 90 degree. So we can use the Pythagoras theorem here. After applying Pythagoras theorem, we have the value of the perpendicular. We also have the value of the hypotenuse. So we can easily find out the value of the base, and that value of base is the value of the breadth for that rectangle. So after finding out the breadth, we can easily find out the perimeter of that rectangle. So using Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square is equals to the perpendicular square plus base square. So BD from here is 41. So the square of 41 is equals to AB. AB is 40. Square of 40 plus AD. AD square. So 41 square is 1681 is equals to 40. Square of 40 is 1600. That is equals to AD square. So we are going to subtract 1600 from 1681. So 1681 minus 1600 is equals to AD to its square. So when we subtract 1600 from 1681, we get the value of 81. So 81 is equals to AD square, and 81 is itself the square of 9. So 9 square is equals to the AD square. So taking the square root on both sides, so 9 square under root is equals to the under root of AB square. So square to root cancels both sides. This is AD. We get the value of the AD. So the value of AD from here is equals to 9, and this is in centimeter. So AD, that is our base, or we can say that the breadth in case of rectangle is 9 centimeter. Now we are having the value of the length, we are having the value of the breadth. So we can say that the perimeter of rectangle is equals to 2 multiplied by the length plus breadth. Plugging the value of length and breadth here. So perimeter is equals to 2 multiplied by the length, that is 40 centimeter, and breadth is 49. So P is equals to 2 multiplied by the 40 plus 9, that is 49. So perimeter from here is equals to 49 multiplied by the 2, that is equals to 98 centimeter. So we can say that the perimeter of this rectangle is equals to 98 centimeter. So this is the answer to given question. So students, in order to solve this problem, we use the basic concept of triangles. I hope you understood the concept well. Thank you.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.